Okay, so after dessert, clean. Aside sa, hindi, manggawas na, tapos manuktok ka. Magsulisit. No, after here is, we're gonna do the pangmalakasang raffle. And then after the raffle is the exchange gift. Yes.
Merry Christmas, everyone! Happy 2025! Hold on, let me take off my hat. Voila! I'm back!
Hi guys! I'm making drinks for everyone. I hope malasing silang lahat. Tapos ako pala ang unang malasing.
I'm having French martini.
Are you French?
Yes, I'm half French, half
Martini.
martini.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Cherry on top.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Mars.
Ow!
Cheers.
Cheers! Welcome to Pennsylvania, guys.
Pretty little baby.
You see this?
Wow, that's so cute. Ano, waka nakita na lids.
My seductive daughter.
In front of you is an Australian dessert. It's called pavlova. Yes. In front of you is also the Filipino dessert made by the people of Maranding, the children of Maranding. The children of Maranding had a contribution to this, so I believe that the children are our future. Ladies and gentlemen, our other dessert is called the macaroni salad. Oh, for us to eat the pavlova, you use your fork with so it's mixed with fruits, seasonal fruits, and kojic acid. And enjoy.
We're gonna do the raffle, you guys. Let's go. Like fair. I'm gonna ask someone to like spin it for me. Okay, you guys, look at the screen right now. That's on quality. Okay. Ready? Wait, the winner is.
Joy, before may open yan, may nag-ano dito, someone said the person is close to God. Trial lang yun. So, sapatos?
Oh, JBL mo!